tropical indoor rainforest, which has. Do you want to touch and feel python?
That's why we are always touching.
Do you want to experience freely flying birds around you?
Do you want to experience thunder and rains when there is 45 degrees hot and humid weather outside? Then the Green Planet is a place for you. If you're looking for some indoor activity, indoor recreation for your kids, so here it is a place, because in this scorching heat this is a place for you, as it is indoor rainforest which has many animal and plant places, which species which you can show to the kids. They will learn, they will enjoy it. So let's go inside and check.
Let's go! Here are the ticket rates. If you buy online, you will get cheaper deals. There was a rush because we visited in the holidays. We are entering inside. Let's go.
Basically there are 4 floors. The fourth one, the topmost, is canopy, where you will find bats and many birds. Second one is mid-story, where we can find monkeys, lemurs. Third one is of the forest, where we can find many reptiles, and the fourth one is flooded forest. So currently
There are the piranhas, most deadliest fishes that are also eat humans. We are at the top floor, the canopy, and we are coming across lots of birds.
beautiful.
What is this?
We are entering the bat cave now.
Swadeep, भीती वाटते का काय? OMG! Bats are freely roaming here. Go, go, go. Check the difference. Outside it is 45 degrees hot, and inside we are experiencing the rainforest greenery. Amazing.
Why she's hiding my
तिच्या जवळ नको.
What's her name? Oh. That's why we are always touching here.
Can I touch?
Sleeping, right?
One finger, you can touch.
This way or this way?
Either way.
Let's try it.
Want to touch? Come on, pass.
Where is his mouth?
Want to see?
Yeah.
Ooh. OMG.
Say hi. Okay, my name is Lily. Tiger.
What is this?
Golden gecko. Pilot.
Hi, sweetie. So, are you enjoying the rainforest? What all you seen so far?
Birds, lemurs,
And bats?
bats.
You get scared?
Yeah.
Okay. And you also got the, you have seen the lemurs and snakes also, no?
Yes.
Okay. And how is the waterfall and rain? Have you enjoyed the rain?
Too much.
Yes, because hot outside, no? So enjoy the rain.
这直接我好有点掉了。给这里吃。
What is that?
That's good. तो बस ग्रीन दिसला खाली बघ तो ग्रीन दिसला
हात लाव. आज बघा आता धुतलीस ना. OMG. Swadeep, have you enjoyed the visit?
Yeah, and enjoying the thunders and rains in the scorching heat of summer.
Yeah, it's very hot here, no? So you can imagine there is a hot sun outside here, 45 degrees, and inside we enjoyed the rain, coolness of the forest. Yes.
And we explored the birds and animals nearby.
Yeah, so you have touched, you have seen all the birds from near.
Yes.
Yeah, very close view of birds, lemurs, and whatnot.
And monkeys.
Yeah, so how much is the rating of yours? 5 out of 5 or 4 out of 5?
4.5 out of 5.
Okay. Okay. So we definitely recommend this place because this summer very less outdoor activities to do for the kids, but in this 45 degrees centigrade outside, a lot of humidity, if we can enjoy the rain inside, if we can experience a lot of birds, animals and species, we can show them the natural habitat. In their natural habitat, it's a really great thing. So from us, it's really must visit place in the Dubai. Yeah, it is little bit costlier, but yes, definitely must do activity in the Dubai. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks.
Thanks. Do subscribe and like our videos.
Yes, for more such interesting videos, please subscribe our channel.
And click